Low-FODMAP blueberry buckwheat coffee cake is the perfect summer recipe. In a medium bowl, prep your streusel by mixing together flour, white sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt. Add in your butter slowly until it resembles a coarse, wet sand. Use your electric mixer to beat your eggs. Add your sugar a little at a time until it's creamy and light yellow. Next, mix in your vanilla, then oil, and beat on medium-low. Add in your lactose-free sour cream. With a mixer on low, incorporate the remaining dry ingredients until just blended. Toss your blueberries with a little of the flour, then fold those gently with the lemon zest into the batter and spread it into your prepared pan. Sprinkle the batter with your prepared streusel until completely covered. Bake in your preheated oven for approximately an hour. Allow to cool, then slice and enjoy.